I can't tell y'all why. Cause every time I rap about some shit, somebody, yeah. I've been trying to dry my eyes, do all this shit I've been through, while I'm still surprised, trying to surpass all my problems, life keep catching up. I tell myself I gotta make it, then I cuddle up. I've been manifesting greatness, I've been trying, but it's feeling like I'm faking. Don't worry, dog, it's more drama when you make it. I'm feeling lost, shit, this shit got me so shaky. I'm a star, I don't care what you may see. You gotta start, that's my only motivation. Yeah, done rapping about my father, I'm a father now. Done rapping about my problems, I'ma solve them now. Done rapping about the struggle, I'ma make it out. But if I ain't rapping about that, then what the fuck I'm talking about? Nice cars and nice chains. Even though I don't need it, I want those nice things. Yeah, can't let these hoes take my name. Comparing me to other niggas, but we ain't the same. I've been thinking figures, but it's hard to gain. I wish getting stitches really calmed the pain. Cried myself a river, then I swam away. Yeah, cried myself a river, then I swam away. Yeah, I lost my grandma, then this shit. I swear my life filled with too much repetition. I've been prolonging my mission. No disrespect, but a lot of niggas fiction. Yeah, I'm mixing Henny with my lemonade. Need some water, I'm dehydrated. Lying to my dogs like it's gonna be okay. Even though we all know that this shit don't always go our way. Yeah, but my back been all over the wall. Shorty crying all over my shoulder. I ain't answer, but I saw the call. I need some liquor and someone to roll up.
I need some liquor, all this pain, don't wanna talk about it. Don't like to smoke, cause all that weed just make me think about it. I'm paranoid in my city, it's cool to catch a body. But ain't no trust falls, every summer we lose everybody. I fall in love, she get annoying, then I wanna leave. I look out for everybody, but who look out for me? Who was like my best friend, who really be down for me? I'm talking to the wall, she talk back, but it's like pulling teeth. We had a show in Jersey City, only 2 people pulled up, really had me feeling empty. Cause I know if it was a party, they would've been there getting litty. I guess we'd rather get drunk than see our homies spit bars for a shot at plenty. I be in my feelings, so I don't tell nobody how I'm feeling. I gain weight, so the sex appeal don't feel appealing. How I find shit to rap about, I rap about shit I'm living. Feel like it's
Get your big ass off.
Wait. Punching hurt, dog. That shit don't keep coming.
Evergreen, Evergreen House. Put this whole fucking 2 minutes up, so I promise. Really turned this shit to a fucking obstacle course. Spin 'em, get 'em warm 'em up, warm 'em up.
She keep on stealing the words out my mouth. Ain't come around in a while, think I might just give her my child. She got me feeling away, we getting high and come back down. She not trying to give it away, I tell her to bust that down right now. Like up, down, left, right, step it. Moving her hips with a up, down, left, right, step it. Moving her hips with a yeah, like up, down, left, right, step it, step it. Moving her hips with a weapon. Up, down, left, right, step it. Moving her hips with a weapon. She feeling the vibe, we hopping a ride, we getting high, we head to the sky. She tell me she love me, don't tell me no lies. I hit from the back and I'm gripping her thighs. Bust it, feeling surprised. She hop on that dick and we went for a ride. Like bust it, feeling surprised. She tryna kick it with all of my guys. Ain't feel this way in a while. She keep on stealing the words out my mouth. Ain't come around in a while. Think I might just give her my child. She got me feeling away. We getting high and come back down. She not tryna give it away. Tell her to bust that down right now. Like up, down, left, right, step it. Moving her hips with a up, down, left, right, step it. Moving her hips with a yeah, like up, down, left, right, step it. Moving her hips with a weapon. Up, down, left, right, step it. Moving her hips with a weapon.
Rather get money instead. Don't have friends, cause all of them dead. Had a boss up, yeah, shout out my ex. When she